Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the perfect gel polish application every time. Always start by removing oil and dirt from your natural nails by cleaning the surface of your nail with alcohol. Also, don't forget to buff the surface of your nail, especially if you're going to use nail tips to elongate your nails. Next, measure out some nail tips and ensure they fit sidewall to sidewall and dab just a little bit of glue. Remember, less is more when it comes to glue, and we don't want to overflow the nail bed with too much nail glue. Press firmly down and release after a few seconds before moving on to the next nail. Before adding color, apply a generous amount of base coat as the first layer. Base coat protects your nails from absorbing any pigment and also allows your gel manicure to last longer. Go ahead and cure the base coat layer for 30 seconds before moving on to applying gel polish. When applying gel polish, apply slowly so that you give the gel polish a little bit of time to level itself out for a super smooth application. If you accidentally get too close to the cuticle area, dip a nail brush in acetone and clean up the edges. Now, cure for another 30 seconds and ensure it's fully cured before moving on to the second coat. Since Makartt's gel polishes are super saturated, you only need 2 coats to get an even color. Remember, keep your movement slow, and when you're happy with the results, go ahead and cure for another 30 seconds. Finally, finish off sealing everything in with the top coat. You can go ahead and use either matte, glossy, or glitter, and it's completely up to you. Once you're done, cure your nails in a nail lamp for another 30 seconds, and that's it. Perfect gel polish application every time.